Good morning, everyone. Hope you are well and have a wonderful day. It's Thursday, August 26th, 2021. It's around 11 am and the temperature is 29 degrees centigrade here in Yangon, Myanmar. Now I am at Thingangyun Township. Thingangyun Township is located in the eastern part of Yangon. The township comprises 38 wards and shares borders with South Okalpa Township in the north, North Dagon Township in the east, Yankin Township and Tamwe Township in the west, and Taketa Township in the south. Total area of this township is 11.5 square kilometers. The township has 40 primary schools, 4 middle schools, and 5 high schools. The township is home to Thingangyun Education College and University of Dental Medicine, Yangon. The city's main sporting venues, the Thuanna Stadium and the Thuanna Indoor Stadium, are located on the western side of the township. There are some landmarks in this township which includes pagoda, church, monastery and Tamil Hindu temple. While walking across this township, you can see lots of green trees beside the road. It's really a beautiful greenery around the township. Kayakashan Pagoda, St. Joseph's Church, and Sri Krishna Temple are located in this township. This is Waizayantar Road. On the right side, it is Waizayantar Garden Housing. This is a bar in the neighborhood. That's it from today's video. Hope you have enjoyed this update. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.